It's the trunk cargo organizer video. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant, and in this video I'm going to showcase to you the truck organizer cargo unit that we have as an exclusive insider. You guys have been waiting for this. Now, if you're new here, my name is Rochelle. Hi, I'm a leader with 31 gifts. Consider yourself a bag babe by hitting your subscribe button. Give this video a big like if you found it super informative, and don't forget to comment what number, like, or any kind of comment down below, because that's where I will pull out the giveaway. And when this video reaches 100, that's when I do the drawing. Okay, as I mentioned, this video is going to be all about the cargo trunk organizer that you guys have been waiting. I'm going to post a video up above here that showcases to you the unboxing of what it looks like, and I'm actually going to showcase how I'm going to install it. We're going to figure this out together. I think there's more than one way to do things, just like in life. So bear with me, and I hope you find super value in this. So let's get right to it. After watching the video, you will notice that this cargo organizer comes in 3 bags, okay? One, it will just come in. This is the little bungee carrier that we're gonna wrap right here, okay? It's gonna be super flat, and when you unfold it, it's this big mumbo jumbo of a Goliath something right here, okay? It comes in 3 colors. Bruce, that's my Jeep. He comes in black, so I wanted to get something in black. Then you're gonna have 3 essential storage totes that will be in 1 bag, and then lastly, you'll have this nice organizer divider thing, which I'm super liking, and might actually use this as something else. I don't know yet, but I love this like display bin. Really sturdy casing. You can personalize this bin. If it were to be personalized, it would go right here, okay? Nothing else can be personalized. Personalization is free, and it will come on this guy, and this will be coming in a separate bag. So it's like a 3 bag but 1 bundle, because there's 5 pieces to it. All right, so essential storage tote. Let me show you what I have in here. I'm actually going to do a errand. I have Happy Meal for you guys who shop the presidential link. There is a ton of things in here. These are boxes 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it holds a ton. I have that, and then here is more goodness in here along with the side, along with that. And then in this one, I have 2 separate ones, because this is going to UPS, and all of this is going to the post office. Okay, so that's how I have that organized, and it fits nicely in there, and I can push it back. And I'm going to show you what else I have in here. This is the fold and fun mat that we currently have. It does have it in black. I always have this mat in my trunk during the summer, because you never know where our adventure is going to take us, and I love how this is, you could carry it very compact, and also when it unfolds, and the material is super water resistant. So one side of this is water resistant, and I love that for the sand, the beach, the lake, the grass, or whatever, right? So that's one side. And then I have these 2 super compact chairs. It's again charcoal crosshatch, right? Can you sense a theme here? But these are 2 chairs that are fold into this really nice small container. I mean, if you compare it to the size of this, that's where I have it. Again, you never know where the adventure takes us, so the kids can sit on the mat, mom and dad can sit on here, or whatever, vice versa. So the next task is trying to hook this guy. Okay, hi, that's way better, right? This is so big. I was trying to do that with one hand, and I couldn't do it. So again, what this looks like is you have like a canvas bottom right here with a mesh kind of pocket, polyester cinched. Basically, this is supposed to cinch up, right? And again, on the sides, you do have these straps. So what I'm going to do is, normally you have these 2 bungees on each side. It comes right here. 2 bungees on each side. I've seen people just sling it onto like their headrest, remove the headrest and sling it on there. My headrest does not come out like that, but I have these attachable units right here on the side. If you don't have any of these, Amazon, it sticks for the kids, their headrests. Basically, they slide them on the side so that when they fall asleep, they have things too. So I'm going to go ahead and sling it onto their headrest and see how it turns out. These are those headrests I'm talking about. So they come down like that. So I'm just going to sling the bungee around right here. Hopefully it fits. So there's one. Dun, 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 dun. And where's the second one? The second one right there. Dun, 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 dun. Both of the bungees on there. And it doesn't affect the use of that. All right, so it looks kind of odd, but let's hook it up to the other side and see what it looks like. All right, hopefully This is not the traditional use of using this, but we'll make it work. Okay, both sides are hooked. I'm not really liking the way that looks, guys. That looks super, like, how am I supposed to function? Again, not the traditional way to use this. Maybe I will leave one unhooked and let it go like that. Or maybe hook it to something else on my Jeep. Okay, now that's one thing that's hooked. It looks better. This is the cinch. Again, that's when you're all done. You can just cinch it up. So let me just go ahead and stick some stuff in here and see what the final product looks like. All right, guys, here we go. That's what it looks. I put the 2 chairs in there along with the mat in there. And I actually decided to hook it onto the seatbelt holder. And if I wanted to make this look super nice, I would cinch this up with this, but I'm not worried about it. Like, I can stick stuff in there, but that's how it looks like. What do you guys think? Looks pretty sharp, don't you think? Maybe I can stick that right here so you guys can see the effect. Again, and there's plenty of room right here, so if you wanted to stick more things in there, you totally can. So that's the trunk organizer. Hope you like it. Again, the only way you can get access to this is if you party up with your 31 consultant. This is an insider exclusive, meaning only those who party up with their consultant can get access to this when they have a qualifying party. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me or to your consultant. The contact form down below is the way to get a hold of me. My mystery hostess link is down below. So that is another great way for you to go ahead and possibly earn into the drawing and win one of these for yourself. Or you can always do a shopping link of one, meaning if your shopping cart reaches to a certain level, you can totally open up a link on your own and you can redeem the rewards to yourself. That's if you're doing like a major shopping haul, right? And of course, I would super be honored. The best way is to join in on the pink bubble, pink ticket, all that fun stuff. I would be honored if you chose me to lead you to wherever your 31 journey takes you, and that way you can get one of these on your own as well. Again, all questions, just reach out to me and I'll get an answer for you. If you haven't yet joined us on Bag Babe TV on Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, hit that subscribe button and check out these bundles that I got going for you. Until next time, y'all, have a great summer.